Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got my very first box that I'm going to open from VIA Trading. It's another liquidation place that I have looked into and found that I might be able to possibly make some profit. So this is actually an NYX assorted liquidation case, and most of what I'm getting is makeup in here, and it's new overstock, basically shelf pulls overstock. So what I want to tell you is that I paid $287.50 for this tiny little box. I know it looks small, but it actually has 250 makeup items in it. Most makeup is restricted on Amazon. Some brands are not, but I primarily put a lot of the makeup on eBay, but it's new products, and so that's nice. I don't have to be worried about condition. So I paid $287.50. Shipping was approximately $35 for a total of $322. which averages out to be about $1.29 per item. And most of you ladies out there, especially, if you have bought makeup, you know you can buy very little for $1.29 a piece. So before I bought this, I had to fill out a merchandise purchase agreement, but that was just because it was my first purchase with VIA Trading. So let's go ahead and open it up and we'll see what we got. This is gonna be my first part in this series. I've got 4 boxes actually that we're gonna go through, and so this one is the NYX makeup, and so we'll see what we have in here and what kind of stuff, and then I will do a follow-up video that tells me about how much I'm gonna approximately make once I get it all opened up. So it is chocked full, as you can see. So it looks like we've got powder blushes, a 3-pack of powder blushes. And the nice thing about these is I may be able to sell them individually because on the back it has each kind of different one. It looks like they're a 3-pack of the exact same kind. So this one is a mocha. This one's a dusty rose, a peach. So various different kinds of blushes. So I've got 6 of those, 3 a piece. So I'll have to see if I want to sell them as a 3-pack or if I want to sell them differently. These are NYX Infinite Shadow Stick. And so they're different colors for eyeshadow. It's a shadow stick. So there's chocolate. This one is almond. It looks like I've got another chocolate. I've got blackout, maybe for the smoky eye, chocolate. A bunch of these shadow sticks. So I'm just gonna pull them out. I'm gonna lay them out here in front and you can kind of see how many I end up with. Oh, this one's really nice, this light crystal. This is usually a nice highlighter, kind of cover up those areas that always look dark on your face. That's my cheater. Lots of light. All of these are shadow sticks. So I'll kind of scan in my next video and let you know approximately how much I can get out of each one of these. But as you can see, they're totally, completely wrapped. They're brand new, and they're gonna be in great condition. So that's gonna be nice. Here's some more blush. All right, let's see, what is this? This is a high voltage lipstick. So NYX lipstick, various colors. As you can see, purples, pinks, browns, reds, peaches. So I've got a bunch of those. I'm gonna set those here. So you can see how 250 items can easily fit in this box. Here's another kind. This is a glam lipstick, so it's a different style of lipstick. I'll set it over here with the lips. All right, this is a baked shadow. So it's like a powdered shadow. I got various different colors of this as well. So I'll set those over here for shadows. All right, this is another powder blush, but they're in individual ones. Here's another 3-pack. So I'm just gonna set this over here because it may be that it was supposed to be in a regular, but they came in 1-packs. Here's some more of these shadow sticks. Kind of fell off to the side. All right, this is a box of, don't know yet. We're gonna open it up, find out. More shadows. So the nice thing that I'm already seeing here is I've got lots of multiples, which means I'm gonna be able to make a listing, one listing, and just list quantity 17. It's gonna take me a lot less time, especially when you're thinking about eBay, because eBay is a little bit more time consuming. These are all shadows. They have 6 a piece in there, so basically 2 packs of these. I'm gonna just set all these over here to the side. Look at this, tons of it. Okay, here's another lipstick. All right, these are longer. Let's see what's in here. These, oh, same thing. They just look longer, but they're the same size box. Okay, all right, what's in these little boxes? It says lip. I would imagine some sort of a lipstick or lip. Oh, these are multiple eyeshadows. Let's see. There's 3 of them in there, and it says Madeleines and Macaroons. That's the colors, the different colors. So it's kind of got pinks and browns. All right, so that's in there. Eyes. Looks like this might be the same thing, but I'm going to open it up just to show you guys. Oh, this one is a powder foundation. So these are powder foundations. Let me see if I can open it up. Oh, these are totally sealed, so I don't want to open them. But they're powdered foundation, different colors. So this one would be powdered foundation golden. And so there's 3 in there. This one looks like it's the same size as the foundation box. Let's see if it's the same color. This one is light or pale. NYX Define, Refine, Powder Foundation, light or pale. And these are in fantastic condition. I'm really, really pleased with what I've got going on as far as what's coming out of this box. Here's some more lipsticks. These are all the same color, so that's gonna be nice. More multiples, less listings, more money. So, which means I can put more things online faster and make it available for my customers, which means I make more money faster. So these are all lipsticks that look just like this, different colors. All right, let's see what's in these long boxes. Long skinny boxes. Oh, these are those powder ones that I've opened before. So I've got multiples of those, different colors. This one says quantity 36 pieces. Maybe it's just was 1 of 36. Yeah. So 6 pieces in each. So these are different colors, but all brand new, all in the boxes. So I can make a decision whether or not I want to sell them as 3-packs or I want to sell them individually, one at a time. The nice thing about these too is a lot of people don't like to do eBay because it's a lot of work, but as you can see, these are going to be ridiculously easy to just package and ship. These I think are more lipsticks. Yep, pink lipsticks. So I've got a couple more boxes of these. Okay, and these are bigger ones. I don't think I have anything that's this shape yet. At least I don't think I do. Trying to be very careful opening these boxes for you. Argan Oil Hue. So all over balm. So it's like a lip balm, like a tin of lip balm. And there's 3 in there. And let's see, this is a different shape box. Trying not to rip it. As I rip it. Okay. This one is more shadows, but they're a 3-pack. Love in Rio, NYX. I have sold some NYX makeup before that I have picked up at various thrift stores that are brand new. I don't sell used makeup, that's gross. So this is the same thing, 3 shadows. Let's see, this one's 3 pieces in there. Different shape box. Oh, this is a neat one. And those are different shadows as well. It looks like there's 3 in there. So lots of eyeshadow, lots of lipstick, some lip balm, some foundation. So all the basics when it comes to color. So that gives you an idea of what we got. You can see 250 items, that's a lot. And so I'm really, really excited. I'll do another video, kind of scan a few of the lipsticks and lip balms and give you a basic average on what I think I can make on this little box of makeup. The nice thing too is if I'm gonna eBay, it's not gonna take up a ton of space in my storage area, and these are going to be all ridiculously easy to ship. So I hope this has been helpful to give you an idea of what you can get from VIA Trading, a great liquidation place so far that I see, and I'll give you some more numbers in my next video. Remember, I'm going to do multiple parts. I've got 3 more boxes over here to open, and so I will add those Revlon, L'Oreal, and another kind of makeup that I'll let you know about, okay? And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.